Hello, my name is Mary Bright, and today I'm going to be speaking to you about confirmation bias. What is confirmation bias? The tendency to seek out and favor information that confirms our existing beliefs is known as confirmation bias. Because of this, we frequently disregard any information that conflicts with our beliefs. Although confirmation bias is frequently unintentional, it can still result in poor decisions being made in research as well as in legal or practical situations. Information that is recent and memorable is more likely to be remembered than accurate information. How confirmation bias plays a role in audience perception. Understanding what your audience is trying to confirm about themselves is the solution to confirmation bias. You can gain insight into what information your audience is likely to seek out and pay attention to if you can grasp their values, priorities, and perspectives of both themselves and others. In addition, if you reinforce what they're already trying to convince themselves of, they'll be more receptive to what you have to say. The possibility that you had food poisoning after dining at a particular restaurant is a good illustration of audience perception to confirmation bias. Because of that incident, you might be able to eat that food once more, but not at that restaurant. Therefore, it is crucial that we as speakers have a positive impact on our audience because what we say could have a lasting impact on them. And hopefully it would be a positive one. Thank you for your time. I hope you have a firm understanding on what confirmation bias and audience perception is after listening to my presentation. This is my transcript and my works cited page.